Okay, hey everybody! As promised from my last video, this is the painting that is after the painting Golden Tears. And a real quick fun fact, the painting was done by a French artist, Anne-Marie Zilberman, in the style of Klimt, so I wanted to make sure I cleared that up. But it is in the style of Gustav Klimt, and it's probably one of the most famous paintings to ever be done in the style of Gustav Klimt, but not actually been painted by him. But I wanted to make sure people knew that. So I'm showing you how I did the eyelashes, and what I did was I put a good amount of water down in the area, and then I used my black to kind of go along the line of the eyelashes, but then give it almost that kind of mascara running kind of emotional feel to it. And I did the same thing with the gold, as you see there, and let the tears kind of run down. So there is the completed painting. And getting on to the next painting in my Seascapes, there you can see I have backed the back of that painting so that we don't pool in the middle, and there is the other painting across the room. Okay, here we go again. This is painting number 2 in my commission series of 3 foot by 4 foot canvases for the 4050 building here in High Point. And as you can see, there's my colors again. I have pewter mixed with a little blue, I have silver, I have Venetian blue, cerulean blue, and then 2 lighter shades of blue and a good amount of white. And we're going to do giant flip cups just like before. And as you can see that over there, the other painting is there. And we're trying to do something that's going to at least complement that. So I'm going to get ready and start filling up some cups. Remember, this is the deeper, this will be the deeper cup. So I'm going to put more of those deep tones in this one so it's a little bit more saturated. Because if you're looking at a picture of the sky, it's usually deeper towards the top and then goes lighter towards the horizon line. So we're going to operate on that principle. There's silver. And we're going to put a little bit of this in there. A little bit of the pewter, not much. And then more of this. More lighter colored blues. More white. A bit of the silver in there. And part of this blue. And white. And blue. And light blue. Pretty cup. Love the way those colors look. Really nice. Put my other glove back on because we were having some technical difficulties. Okay. So here we go. Time to plop the old first cup down. There we go. We'll let that sit for a while. Okay, I've done the second cup, which is more of the light blues and white, and some silver and some pewter, but very little. And a little bit more of the deeper blue, but not quite as much, so that we create that gradient from top to bottom towards the horizon. And there we go. Lay them for luck. Sorry, I have to walk around with my booties. Ugh. So that I do not walk out of here into the carpeted areas and get paint all over their nice new carpets. So, try to do this without blocking the camera. Okay. Pretty good, so far so good. Okay, I'm going to speed things up a little bit while I do my flip and drag and tilt off, and I'm going to let you listen to some tunes.
I want to give you a million things, 'cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again is something that I want to figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, 'cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it, oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall.
Now, if you're enjoying this video, find it interesting or informative, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up and like the video, and maybe share it if you'd like. And when you do, subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell so that you'll be alerted when I upload new videos.
You're safe, 'cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Cause all you need is somebody. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you.
Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care.
All these times are Eastern Standard Time, And at 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, my good friend Tiffany Remine had her Friday premiere video. If you're just tuning in now, please go back and check hers out. After me will be Cindy Porter with Cynthia Porter Studio at 7:15 p.m. And following her will be It's Art by DonnaM at 7:30 p.m. Next will be Brian's Upper Valley Artistry will be at 7:45 p.m. And finally, Nate of Nate Bright Art will be our final video on our Friday with Friends, and he will be at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please check everybody out. I know everybody will have some amazing, wonderful art, and I will leave links in my description box for everybody on this Friday Evening with Friends train.
Filling the spaces within. Running around, are we there yet? Music is not where we all met. Oh, let's freeze time. Gather around, watch the sun go down.
That middle section through there looks like clouds. This bottom section, I don't know. Looks like it could be a mountain range, or it looks like it could be water, like you're actually in the water looking up at the horizon. I like it though. Very cool. I like all the geode type shapes, and there's a lot of silver and the pewter in there. Also looks like rocks. That looks like a rock formation there with surf around it. I love that portion there. All right. Painting number 2. Keep following me on this journey, but I'm pleased with that. I will see you for the next one.